You've been doing hundreds of crunches for months, sit-ups until your neck hurts, and your abs still aren't showing. Here's the truth almost nobody tells you. The problem isn't that you're not training hard enough, it's that you're chasing the wrong thing entirely. Visible abs don't come from doing more ab exercises, they come from two things most people get completely backwards. And one of the most popular ab exercises might actually be working against you. Let me show you what actually works, at home, no equipment. Let's start with a thing that changes everything. You already have a six-pack, right now. Everyone does. Your rectus abdominis, the six-pack muscle, is already there. The reason you can't see it isn't that it's not developed, it's that it's covered by a layer of fat. This is the part most people never understand. You can do 1,000 crunches a day and never see a single ab, because crunches don't remove the fat sitting on top. Think of it like this. Your abs are a picture, and body fat is a blanket over it. Doing more ab exercises makes the picture bigger, but if the blanket is still there, you can't see it. So rule number 1, to see your abs, you have to get lean. That means a slight calorie deficit, higher protein, and staying consistent. Abs are revealed in the kitchen, not the gym. No amount of ab training replaces this, none. Now here's the second thing everyone gets wrong. The most popular ab exercise, the sit-up, might be doing almost nothing for your abs, and it could be hurting your back. Here's why. When you do a full sit-up, your hip flexors, the muscles at the front of your hips, take over the movement. They do most of the work, while your abs barely fire. You feel the effort, but it's going to the wrong muscles. This isn't just theory. The US Army actually removed sit-ups from their fitness test because a study found more than half of all injuries came from them. Too much strain on the lower spine. So if you've been grinding out sit-ups and wondering why nothing's happening, now you know. You've been training your hip flexors, not your abs. The fix isn't complicated. Smaller, controlled movements that keep the tension on your abs, not your hips. That's where the next part comes in. Your core has 3 zones, and you need to train all 3. Here's the simplest way to hit each one at home, no equipment. Zone 1, your upper abs. The move? Crunches. Yes, real crunches. Small, controlled, shoulders off the floor, abs doing the work, not sit-ups. The difference is the range. You lift just your shoulder blades, squeeze, and lower slowly. This keeps the tension on your abs and off your spine. Zone 2, your lower abs. The move? Leg raises. Lie flat, legs straight, and raise them up using your lower abs. Lower them slowly without letting your back arch. This is the zone crunches can't reach, and it's where most people are weakest. Zone 3, your entire core, deep. The move? The plank. And this is the most underrated of all. A plank trains your deep core, the muscles that flatten and tighten your whole midsection. Research shows integrated moves like planks activate more total core muscle than any isolated crunch. Hold it tight, body straight for as long as you can. 3 zones, 3 movements, upper, lower, deep. That's a complete core workout. No equipment, no gym. So here's the whole system. First, get lean. Slight calorie deficit, more protein, stay consistent. This is what actually makes your abs visible. Nothing works without it. Second, train smart, not hard. Skip the endless sit-ups. Do crunches for the upper abs, leg raises for the lower abs, and planks for deep core. 2 or 3 times a week, a few minutes each. That's it. You don't need 100 crunches a day. You need low body fat and 3 movements done right. The reason you can't see your abs was never about working harder. It was about working correctly and getting lean enough to actually see the work. Be honest in the comments. How many crunches have you been doing that you now know were the wrong move? Drop it below. And if this cleared things up, hit that like button. It genuinely helps the channel. I'll see you in the next one.